NotebookLM has a setting that lets you customize and personalize your chat. It's really easy to miss though. So I want to take a second, show you where it is, show you what it looks like, and then you can choose if you want to use it or not. So first thing is go to notebooklm.google.com and you'll get to this page. If you don't see this page, you'll have to log in. And then either create a new notebook or choose one that you have. I will go into here, and this is just the main screen. If you don't have any sources, there'll be a window that pops up that says add sources. What you care about is under chat, and it's right here. And it's configure notebook. Again, it's really easy to miss. Click on that, and you have your configure chat. And again, there's only two things in here. It's actually really simple. And it starts with default and default because they're defaults. But if you look at this, you can define your conversational goal, style, or role. Default, it just, you'd have to play around. Just ask it a couple of questions or just interact with the chat to see what default means. I don't really know how to describe default. But then it has learning guide in here. And this, again, just set it and try it. If you're doing anything learning from either the teacher, professor, tutor side, or from the student side, try this and see how it works. But what most people would care about is custom. And custom is most in line with, if you're familiar with ChatGPT personalities or a similar feature on other chatbot tools, it's where you can set it to whatever you want it to be. So if you would do some kind of role setting or avatar setting, or it's just act as, or you are this person, this is where you put it in. And it has some examples in here, and it's, respond at a PhD student level. You could put the Eli 5 in here, so explain M5, or what is this? Pretend to be a role-playing game host. Whatever it is, it's just however you want the chatbot to act. This is where you set it. So again, whatever you might want to put in here, and then the other one is your response length. And again, it's really hard for me to say what the default length is. For most people, the default is longer than they want. It's more verbose than they want it to be. But I would just recommend coming into chat and just asking it a few questions and seeing what that default length is. And then if you're okay with it, obviously leave it alone, but then you can judge from there if you want it to be longer or shorter. That's really it. But again, it's a really easy setting to miss. So just a quick recap of a quick video. NotebookLM.google.com gets you here. Either create a notebook or go into an existing notebook. And then within the center chat section, you're going to go to this little icon, and it's configure notebook. And then you can choose your conversational style, and then you can choose your response length. Once you set this and close it, then it'll be set until you change it again. That's it. See you next time.